Hey there, everyone. You're probably going to see me dressed just like this in another video because I got two to do today and I'm just going to do them while I'm sitting here. So I got a fat. Is that a Freudian slip or what? A FabFitFun box. It's the editor box, which I think means it's smaller than their regular box, but they sent it to me for review. And so I believe it's a $45 box, subscription box, but it comes quarterly, and it can be between, I think, a $275 box to a $500 box. But the I'll make sure I get all the real information down in the description box. Also, not that I do a giveaway I don't always do a giveaway in the description box, but I just said I did in my description box. The first person to comment me a pineapple is the winner, and so I had a winner, and then somebody else did it. So two people read the description box, and then actually before that, I had at the end of a video, I didn't say you'd be a winner. I just said, if you make it this far, comment a pineapple. Nobody commented a pineapple. So might be in your interest to check out my description. And sometimes at the end of my videos, you never know what might be there. Okay, so I don't know if I can hold this box up. I tore the paper. So it's a box it's a big box. Yes. And so I guess this is their spring box. Like I said, this is the editor's box, and from what I understand, it is smaller than the regular boxes. And so it comes with what looks like a little magazine. It says the editor's box. On the back it says, show us your unboxings. You could win really big. Price pack valued at $500. No purchase necessary. So it's, I guess I could win. So it's no purchase necessary. So, and then share the love for FabFitFun and get $10 off your first box. And there is the code. I'll leave that down in the description box if anybody wants to do it. And then here is, this is a card. And it just says a note from us. We are not going to read it. It lists all the stuff in the back. They let me pick out a few things, what I wanted, and then some things they just sent me. So the first thing I see is your hair wrap towel. I already have one of these, so it's probably going over in the giveaway pile. Mine is peach colored, but same concept. It might even be the same brand. I don't know. And this is a set of 4 bath bombs. I'm not going to open it either because, not that I don't like to take baths, but in this apartment, our bath is not bathtub friendly. And so that will probably go in some sort of giveaway. Oh, let me tell you what those things are. Let me see if I can tell you. The head wrap. Let me see. I'm not doing these. So the head wrap is $18. The bath bombs are $16. And here is a Tarte Double Duty Beauty eyeshadow palette. And it is $30. It's got little lips all over it. So I think this says an eyeshadow palette. They're kind of dark. That looks purple on the screen, this bottom one down here, but it is not. It is darkest brown. About that. There we go. So let's see what's next. Okay, and so the next thing is, get that there. I'm sitting right up on the camera. Sorry about that. Okay, and the next thing is Free People. Understated, and it is With Love from Texas at Free People. So it is an ice pack, and they say it's $40. Really? $40? Are you kidding me? And see, this is why people buy stuff from China. And I'm probably going to leave that in the video. $40. Ridiculous. It might be worth 15. I'm just saying. Okay. They're probably not going to like my review. But that's ridiculously overpriced. I'm just sorry. I mean, it's nice, and I get migraines, so I will use it. You can believe that. But wow. And so the next thing is by Kate Summerfield, and it's Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, and it is worth $75 for, wow, 1.7 fluid ounces. Let's see what this looks like. Now I do some exfoliating. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it's got a safety seal. Reminds me of Abby and her little safety seal song. I sing it around my house. It gets stuck. Thanks, Abby, if you're watching. I love you, though. Oh, it smells good. It's kind of minty. But I exfoliate once a week. So, yeah. And that helps. It actually helps. Well, I do a lot of stuff. I do a lot of skincare things because I have natural thick redness. My doctor called it butterfly mask. But anyway, I do stuff to try to help that. Okay, so we're going to put that right there. Oh, and the next thing is, this is a huge box. Let's see. This is not something I picked out. I did pick out that exfoliator though. I think that was one of the things I picked out. This is Homemade Family Inspired Meals by ACURE. It's a 13-ounce ceramic mug. Oh, it's so cute. It's got eyelashes on it and said, I'd rather be in bed. Go with my tea in the morning. You know, Petty Page says, we're in Britain, we don't spill tea, we drink it. I just want to say, I drink it too. And so, oh, and that is $16. The next thing is, I picked this out too. This bag is from Summer and Rose, and it's valued at $54. And that looks white, but it's beige. And the other little clutch bags were more expensive, but I didn't see myself using. I need a big purse. If I am dressing up, I have a little credit card size wristlet thing that I carry that's sequined and fancy and got my initial on it, and that's what I carry. Otherwise, I got a big pocketbook. And I use them until they're falling apart. Okay, so I was kidding. This is Tati talks about this on her channel, and I know I make jokes about Tati's Magic Vitamins, and so y'all would think that I don't like her, I'm sure. But I watch her every day, and I do like Tati. But when she said that her vitamin was magic, flip the switch, and so that's just something no. I'm in the medical field, and now I have some friends in the medical field that does that holistic blah blah blah, but when I was young, I'm gonna get back to this. When I was younger, they didn't have it, they didn't call it PCOS back then, they didn't know what it was called, but I had, you know, when they would ultrasound my ovaries, I would just have, my ovaries would just look like a pot of grapes. I had so many cysts, and I didn't have, this is story time, I didn't have regular periods, and I tried, now I did think Oil of Evening Primrose did help me. But Saw Palmetto did not help me, and all those people that just swore by Saw Palmetto, and somebody told me, if you're in the medical field, then you know that Saw Palmetto helped. No. As a patient who tried it, no, it did not help me, nothing. It didn't do nothing. It didn't, nothing. It did nothing. And people that said, I don't know, they said it could help you get pregnant. I don't know about that either, because I had many a hard time trying to get my 2 babies. And so 2 babies, one's 18, about to be 19, the other one's 14, about to be 15. They're not babies anymore. But, and no. Anyway, but I do like Tati, but I'm not taking her magic pill. And I've seen Jen Love's review, who I know does honest reviews, and she said they didn't do nothing. So there you go. All right, so this is Brioche, which Tati just swears by, makes her hair wonderful. But then again, you know, she wears press-in extensions. You can see them sometimes in her videos. But this is Brioche, Don't Despair, Repair, and it's a deep conditioning mask. I don't know, I may mix some hair color with it and try to get my color to be purple and not blue. I keep thinking I'm gonna have to go back to Angel and tell her she's got to fix my hair to purple. I wish I had a headlight that shined so that you could actually see the color, because because there's some green in the back. Right there. Right there. Oh. But I do like my haircut. I love my haircut. And, yeah. Anyway, this box, I do like it. I don't think I can get it, though. right now. But if I could get this on a quarterly basis, I definitely would. This is a way different box than a makeup box. It does contain some makeup and skincare products. I did enjoy the purse. They let me pick that. I think they let you can let them pick, or you can pick a few things out quarterly. You can also go and shop in their store, and I think they have 70–80%, and then they have sales where you can buy things in bundles that's even cheaper than regular, it appears. Anyway, I would like this box. This is overpriced to me. $40? No way. I will enjoy it because I do get migraines from time to time. I know Kate Summerfield is very expensive. It's probably not something I would buy on my own, but I do use exfoliators, and I will use it. I'll try to use it before it expires, if it expires. Right now I'm using ACURE. I like that we got eyeshadow. That's great. And the head towel, I already have one that I'm not using right now because of the color that I have in my hair. Basically, is not permanent, which it was supposed to be permanent, but it's not now. But I like that box. How great is that? Now, I wanted to smell this Briogeo, and then we're going to go because I have another video to do. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. I don't know how you use hair mask. I guess you put them in and leave them for 5 or 10 minutes. It smells good. When I seen somebody had hair down to here. YouTube, some video I was watching yesterday. She had said her hair was down to here. She called that short. I got a big kick out of that because when my hair was that long, I called it long, and I had a very curly perm. It was just a few years ago, and I used leave-in conditioners. Yeah. Leave in for up to 10 minutes or 20 minutes if you have bad hair. But yeah, this is a nice box. Like I said, if I could, I would get this box quarterly for $45. Oh yeah. I was hoping I seen some other people get that little rolly thing. I was hoping I would get that. Yeah. Massage. I'm gonna tell you what, because I have so much trouble with my back. But yeah. Anyway, I'm just rambling now, but thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.